Welcome to Learn English with Stories Daily. Today is English listening practice for beginners. You will learn 10 useful words for the bank and then go with Sarah to open her first bank account in London. Stay to the end for the quiz. Let us begin. If you do not understand every word, do not worry. You can listen many times. The more you listen, the more English you will learn. Are you ready? Let us start with our 10 words. Bank. A bank is a place that keeps your money safe. For example, Sarah walks to the bank. Repeat after me. Bank. Bank. Account. An account is your own space at the bank for your money. For example, she wants to open a bank account. Repeat after me. Account. Account. Cash. Cash is money in coins and paper notes. For example, Sarah has £100 in cash. Repeat after me. Cash. Cash. Card. A card is a small plastic card you use to pay. For example, the teller gives her a new bank card. Repeat after me. Card. Card. Deposit. When you deposit money, you put it into the bank. For example, Sarah wants to deposit her money. Repeat after me. Deposit. Deposit. Withdraw. When you withdraw money, you take it out of the bank. For example, you can withdraw cash with your card. Repeat after me. Withdraw. Withdraw. Sign. When you sign, you write your name. For example, please sign your name here. Repeat after me. Sign. Sign. Form. A form is a paper with questions you must answer. For example, Sarah fills in a form. Repeat after me. Form. Form. Safe. When your money is safe, nobody can take it. For example, now her money is safe. Repeat after me. Safe. Safe. Teller. A teller is the person who helps you at the bank. For example, a friendly teller helps her. Repeat after me. Teller. Teller. Well done. You have learned 10 new words. Now, let us listen to today's story. Sarah is going to stay in London for a long time. She needs a safe place for her money. She needs a bank account. She walks to the bank. Inside, it is clean and quiet. She waits in a short queue for a few minutes. Soon, a friendly teller calls her. Good morning. How can I help you? Good morning, says Sarah. I would like to open a bank account, please. Of course, says the teller. May I see your passport? Sarah gives the teller her passport. The teller looks at it and smiles. Thank you. Now, please fill in this form. Sarah reads the form carefully. She writes her name, her address, and her phone number. Now, please sign here, says the teller. Sarah signs her name at the bottom of the form. Wonderful, says the teller. Your account is now open. Would you like to deposit some money today? Yes, please, says Sarah. She gives the teller £100 in cash. The teller deposits the money into Sarah's new account. Here is your new bank card, she says. You can use it to pay in shops or to withdraw cash from the machine. Thank you so much, says Sarah. Now my money is safe. Have a lovely day, says the teller. Sarah leaves the bank. She feels happy and grown up. London is truly her home now. If you are enjoying this story, tell me in the comments. Do you prefer cash or a card? Now, let us listen again slowly. Sarah will stay in London for a long time. She needs a bank account. She goes to the bank. A friendly teller helps her. Sarah shows her passport. She fills in a form. She signs her name. Her account is open. She deposits £100 in cash. The teller gives her a new card. Now Sarah's money is safe. She feels happy and grown up. Now, let us practice speaking. I will say a sentence. You repeat it after me. Ready? I would like to open a bank account. I would like to open a bank account. May I see your passport? May I see your passport? Please fill in this form. Please fill in this form. Please sign here. Please sign here. I want to deposit £100. I want to deposit £100. Here is your new bank card. Here is your new bank card. You can withdraw cash. You can withdraw cash. Now my money is safe. Now my money is safe. Excellent! Your speaking is getting better every day. Let us remember our 10 words. Bank. It keeps money safe. Account. Your space for money. Cash. Coins and notes. Card. Plastic card to pay. Deposit. Put money in. Withdraw. Take money out. Sign. Write your name. Form. Paper with questions. Safe. Nobody can take it. Teller. The person who helps you. Well done. Now let us check your understanding. Question number 1. Why did Sarah go to the bank? Think about it. The answer is to open a bank account. Question number 2. What did the teller ask to see? Think about it. The answer is her passport. Question number 3. What did Sarah write at the bottom of the form? Think about it. The answer is her name. Question number 4. How much cash did Sarah deposit? Think about it. The answer is 100 pounds. Question number 5. What did the teller give Sarah? Think about it. The answer is a new bank card. Question number 6. How did Sarah feel at the end? Think about it. The answer is happy and grown up. How many did you answer correctly? Tell me in the comments. Thank you for listening to Learn English with Stories daily. Keep practicing your English every day. Remember, small steps create big progress. Tomorrow, Sarah makes a phone call home to her family in South Africa. That is our next story. See you there.